In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Browser Cache TTL through CloudFlare. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this setting, what it controls, and how to choose a duration that fits your site's needs. First, open your CloudFlare account and head to your dashboard. From there, you'll see a list of your connected domains. Click the specific domain you want to work with so the settings you're about to change apply to the right site. It's worth double-checking you're on the correct domain before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple websites. Once you're on the domain's overview page, look for the caching section in the sidebar or top navigation and click it. This is where CloudFlare centralizes controls for how content is cached. Inside caching, select the Configuration tab. The configuration area contains default behaviors and controls that influence how both CloudFlare and your visitors' browsers handle cached files. Now, scroll down until you find the Browser Cache TTL setting. TTL stands for time to live, which is essentially how long a visitor's browser should keep files like images, style sheets, and scripts before checking back for updates. When you find Browser Cache TTL, click the small arrow to open the drop-down. You'll see a range of durations, typically in hours, and sometimes extending into days or longer. Choose the number of hours that best matches your content update frequency. If your site changes often, say you update styles or images multiple times a day, select a shorter TTL such as 1 or a few hours. If your assets are mostly static and rarely change, a longer TTL can improve performance by reducing repeat downloads for returning visitors. Remember, this setting instructs the visitor's browser how long to keep files. It's separate from CloudFlare's Edge Cache, which has its own policies. That distinction helps explain why a change here affects user devices specifically, not the copies held on CloudFlare's servers. After you select your preferred duration, CloudFlare applies the change automatically. There's no extra button to press in this section. Keep in mind that any files a visitor already cached will typically respect the previous TTL until they expire, so your new setting takes effect as people fetch fresh copies. To see the impact right away on your own device, you can refresh your site or open it in a private window to bypass older local cache for testing. That's all there is to it. By setting an appropriate Browser Cache TTL, you strike a balance between faster repeat visits and timely updates, tailored to how often your site's content changes.